You'll drop everything for everyone else, but when was the last time someone dropped everything for you? Yeah, exactly. Here's the brutal truth nobody wants to hear. Your availability is making you invisible. Warren Buffett said it best. Successful people say no to almost everything. And here you are, saying yes to everyone. That coworker who always needs just 5 minutes. Notice how it's never 5 minutes. That friend who only texts when they need something. Where are they when you need help? You think being available 24/7 makes you a good person. But here's what nobody tells you. The more available you are, the less people value you. Steve Jobs wasn't checking emails at midnight. Oprah isn't answering everyone's calls. The people you admire most guard their time like gold. Because it is gold. I was the yes person. Always online, always responsive, always there. And I burned out while the people I helped disappeared the moment I needed them. So I did something radical. I started saying no. I stopped responding instantly. I set boundaries. And guess what? People didn't leave. They respected me more. The ones who got upset, they weren't upset about losing me, they were upset about losing their doormat. Here's your challenge. For the next 24 hours, wait 2 hours before responding to non-urgent messages. Say no to one request. Protect 1 hour that's just yours. Your time is the only thing you can never get back. You're literally trading your life every time you say yes to something that doesn't matter. Stop being everyone's option. Start being your priority. Stop being so available. Start being unforgettable. If you needed to hear this, drop a comment below.